Hello, fellow teachers. So today I'm going to show you this really cool website. It's called StudyCat. And so StudyCat is like the name of the overall page, but through this website, they have a whole bunch of different links. So it's a fun language learning app. They have languages, so like fun English, fun Chinese, fun French, fun German, and fun Spanish. And they are all apps, so you would have to download them onto an iPad or the computer or whatever you're having the children use to play. But they also have a lot of other cool things. So like they have the fun languages, but they also have fun StudyCat for schools. So we'll wait for this to open up. So it's for schools and for teachers. It has a whole bunch of fun stuff. It can help with students who have that are ELL students who are struggling with English. There's a lot of like simple games that can help them learn some new fun things. Let's go to the home page. Let's go to ABC. They also have something called ABC Galaxy. So like there's the languages that have like fun English. Like here you can go to apps. It says all the apps that they have. So fun English, fun Chinese, fun French, fun German, Spanish. And so those ones will help with more of like learning a new language. So for those ELL students that, let's say, speak Spanish at home or speak French or Chinese and they're struggling with English, this is a really good game or app that you can have children play. This is called ABC Galaxies, and this is just maybe for like elementary school kids or even, kindergarten kids who are struggling with their ABCs. They have learning games, and all these cool things. I'm trying to find here's a video I'll let you watch that kind of talks a little bit more about the ABC Galaxy. So as you can see, like the kids will have control and like hit the letters to spell letters and words. So basically, it's just like you can see, like they're creating these words and they're using these letters, and they're combining them together to get these fun words. And also, it's like a game. Like they're straight up playing, galaxy games, and it's really cool. So that's just like one of the apps they have. I downloaded Fun Spanish just because I'm into Spanish and that's like the second language I like to learn. And I was playing around and they have things where you can change the settings to a different language based off your students' needs. They have color games and each day they like reveal or unlock a new game for the students to play. And I'll just show you another video here.
Amarillo, verde, rojo, naranja, un perro, un tigre, zapatos, camisa, torta, sopa, el dormitorio, un tren largo. A él le gustan las bananas. Es mi lápiz.
So as you can see, like they had like colors, they had food, they had clothing, bedrooms or like room types. They have all these really cool things and each day they can reveal. It is free, like for the first part. If you want to get more of the advanced, it costs a certain amount of money. But again, it's a really cool way to get language incorporated in the classroom, even if they like giving the kids the freedom to play around with like a new language. I think as a student, I would really have enjoyed to play around with something like Spanish or French or even German, like which is a completely hard language. It's just a really fun app, a good way to get kids to have fun, but still constantly learning. I think all teachers should know about StudyCat, because it's really cool and very beneficial. And it is for like schools and for learning. And that is it. Thanks for listening. And I hope you guys are able to incorporate StudyCat into your classrooms.